Kafoodle recipe and menu management software is now fully equipped to help you stay compliant when the new calorie labelling legislation comes into force on the 6th of April 2022. We've always housed your calorie information per 100 grams on your ingredients and allowed this to pull through to your recipes, both per 100 grams and also per serving. You've been able to view this on your recipe spec sheets and also on our nutritional data sheets. We're now making this information available on your menus as well. On your menus, you have options as to whether you would like to show calories only or perhaps full nutrition. If you choose to show calories on your physical menus, this data will be available per serving next to each item on the menu. This data will also be available in any digital menus that you may have. The information also pulls through to our labelling functionality. Many of our templates will show this data per serving. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact a member of the Kafoodle team.